Let's be honest, window cleaning is the ultimate I'll do it next month kind of task. Whether it's the risk of climbing ladders to get into high places, spending $100 to $300 on service fees, or honestly just having better things to do on your Saturday. What usually ends up happening is that dust and dirt collects on the windows and they end up being really dirty. So today we're going to be looking at the hands-free solution from ECOVACS. This is the WINBOT W2S OMNI Smart Window Cleaning Robot. It is from the #1 robotic window cleaner brand worldwide by market share. So in this video, we're going to see if it actually works and if it delivers manual quality style results. And most importantly, we're going to see if it's actually worth the $599 investment. With that being said, let's jump right into it. The WINBOT W2S OMNI isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The setup is incredibly intuitive with no complicated prep or learning curve. It's a very simple plug and play kind of setup. It has a power cable at the back that you can plug at the nearest power outlet for your convenience. It has a pull tab drawer mechanism that will reveal the actual window cleaner attachment. In this window cleaner attachment, you'll have a dedicated area where you can add the cleaning solution that is provided within the box. Now, once you've set up everything, you're ready to go and you can start cleaning your windows just that easy. Once it's on the glass, it uses an 8000 PA suction to stay locked in and it's not going anywhere. It's actually really impressive and it does the job really well, to the point where the first time I put it on, I was genuinely surprised by how well it was doing it. One of my favorite features is the Omni Station. When the job is done, you press one button and it automatically rewinds the whole cable back inside. So this means no messy cords or manual winding required. Now, the real value and power of this robot vacuum is its performance. Now, it truly cleans multiple areas in a really good way. You're gonna get the maximum amount of value from this robot. It really transforms windows from super dirty to super clean in the span of a couple of minutes. Now, this robot is the perfect tool for my specific situation at home. I have an open style shower with a huge wide open glass, and this allows me to clean both sides super easily and cleanly, and this is a game changer for me. The WINBOT handles grime, dust, and even rain spots from recent storms, so it is fully operational both inside the house and specifically outdoors. Now, its TruEdge technology reaches every single corner, making sure that it's providing a maximum cleaning and super accurate edge to edge, making sure that it covers all specific regions of the area you're trying to clean. The one thing that stands out with this robot is that most robots miss the edges, leaving a frame of dirt. But this is not the case with the WINBOT. It has a simplistic system that doesn't try to do too much, but works very well and is extremely consistent. It has a spray nozzle system that actually preps the surface when it cleans, keeping up with larger areas just as much as smaller areas. It also features a 3-nozzle wide-angle spray technology. Instead of just dragging a dry cloth, it pre-wet stains so they wipe away cleanly. Now, the great thing about it is that it's not just for windows. You can actually use it on shower glass, mirrors, and balcony railings. In fact, in my case, it's actually going to be more beneficial because I'll be able to use it regularly and keep my shower frame nice and clean. So it really works on almost any smooth vertical glass surface. I've been using it for my shower doors. You can use it for your mirrors and even glossy tile walls. It fits seamlessly into different parts of the home. One of my favorite features has to be the total control through the app. There are 7 different cleaning modes to choose from. Multiple modes adapt to different cleaning needs and improve efficiency, which is honestly great for multiple scenarios. I typically like to use the thorough cleaning for my outdoor windows since they typically collect more grime and dirt. And when I'm indoors and using it for my shower glass, since I use it regularly every other day, I'll typically go for a fast clean just to make sure it scrubs off that first layer of dirt that typically adds up. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What if it falls? The WINBOT is designed to stay secure even in unexpected situations. So much so that even if you have a power loss, it'll stay attached for about 30 minutes while sounding an alert to give you a heads up that you should attend the robot. And on top of that, the station acts as a weighted safety base with a dedicated lock to prevent falls. Now, here specifically is a before clip. As you can see, the shower glass is really dirty. It has accumulated a lot of dirty water and humidity, so it needs a nice thorough clean. So in this next clip here is the after. As you can see, it is freshly clean. The window is still fresh from the last wipe, so it has a little bit of water that's currently drying, but as you can see, all that dirt and dirty water is now officially completely gone. In fact, it's actually so consistent when it comes to the cleaning, and it provides really good results no matter which type of setting you choose on the app itself. So let's say, for example, you choose the thorough cleaning that I used here on my outdoor windows. It's spick and span. It looks absolutely brand new. They're shiny, fully see-through again. Like I can actually see everything that's behind me through the window, which is great. And the system works super nice, super smooth. It's really calm and quiet, just gets the job done. It's actually quite fast as well, so it won't take forever for it to clean. It'll just get the job done as it needs to. It's a super easy, versatile robot that you can install pretty much anywhere, plug and play. It literally does not require more than that. Anyone can literally set it up wherever they need it, and it's really, really good. Now, actually, one of my favorite things after using this robot for the last few weeks is really the improvement and the quality of life it's given me. Just being able to bring it from upstairs, from cleaning my windows in my living room or outdoors, to literally just bringing it fully downstairs in my bathroom and cleaning the shower glass. It's just been an absolute breeze, super easy process, and it made my life so much easier. So as you guys can see, after the process of cleaning the windows, they are good as new. They are shiny and sparkly again. So clean windows don't just look better, it actually changes how a space feels. So investing in this machine is actually going to be beneficial down the line, because you don't have to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars to have people come over and clean them, or you don't even have to waste any time doing it yourself. You can just put the machine on the windows and it'll do it for you. So as you'll see here, the windows are good as new, nice and shiny, and you can actually see what's going on outside and there's no dirt. So if you guys are interested, I'll have it linked in the description down below. You guys can pick it up. I want to give another thank you to the team over at ECOVACS for sending this robot my way. If you've enjoyed the video, I'll see you guys on the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.